Trendsetters, what's going on?
Anyways, guys, today we got something for the mukbangers, or is it mukbang?
Mukbang.
Is it mukbang or mukbang? Mukbang or mukbang?
It's
tomatoes, tomatoes, potatoes, potatoes. We
Yeah.
don't know how to say mukbang, but it's something for y'all that be on here eating with all them good recipes and big quantities. So
yeah, we coming through with y'all. We got all the ingredients out here for y'all.
So we got these on the border nacho chips right here. We got romaine lettuce right here.
Got some ground beef right here.
And we got a Mexican cheese blend right here.
Tostitos.
Queso.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my favorite. I love the queso.
We got some beans.
Refried
beans right here.
And we have fresh salsa.
Oh yeah.
And we have taco mix.
Black olives.
Sliced black olives.
Sour cream.
And sour cream. So how we can get his paint on.
Jalapeno.
Yep, we got jalapeno peppers right here.
Oh yeah.
So we ready to get it in and get down with these sheet pan nachos.
Oh yeah, we'll be right back. We get everything assembled like we want to.
Yep, we're gonna start with grounding the beef and we'll come back to you guys and get some footage on that, and then we're gonna show you how we put it all together. Alright, trendsetters, let's go. Alright, so Chef Red has our ground beef mixture going. I think it's like a little over a pound, almost 2 pounds in here. And he's gonna add in the taco seasoning.
Yep. Nice stuff.
Got it in our wok here.
Putting the seasoning over it.
Oh, look at that steam. He's fogging up the lens.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Get all that flavor up in there.
Alright, I'm gonna let him finish up with this beef, and then we'll come back to you guys in a little bit. Alright, we got a lot going on this table here. It's a lot going on. So we are going to start the process now. And Randall's gonna start layering in our first layer of chips.
There you go.
So we're just gonna do a small layer, because you know they're gonna spill right out. So I'm gonna let him do that. I mean, you can't go wrong with how you do this. You cannot go wrong. So, but the first thing we're gonna do is layer them with beans and queso. So he's gonna layer those out, and I'm gonna get the camera up on him so you guys can see.
Julie. Put some more chips on here. All you want. Putting these chips down.
Yeah, really you could just dump them in there, but we want to get a nice little layer of them going. You can spread them out a little.
Nice little chip.
Alright, the next thing Randall is going to do is he's going to spoon in our queso. We're going to spoon in our queso and our refried beans.
What do you want to do? Queso first?
Okay.
Some queso.
Wait, the beans. You can't, I mean the beef.
Oh,
you can't forget the beef, man. So we got the beef going. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good. Guys, you gotta turn that sound off. Mute it. Got the beans the beef going. I keep wanting to call it beans. Got the beef going.
Oh yeah. That look good.
Yeah, now we're gonna do
Chips?
or you wanna do a fresh layer of
Oh yeah, yeah.
We're gonna do a fresh layer of cheese.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna do a fresh layer.
4 cheese.
Layer. Fresh 4 cheese, shredded Mexican cheese. Yeah, I got it on. All right, Randall's spreading down the fresh shredded cheese.
Put a lot of cheese down there like that. Just sprinkling on there like that.
Yummy, yummy. That's what Randall always likes to say.
Oh yeah.
Looks good. All right, now we're gonna do another layer of chips. Got our other layer of chips going.
Another layer of chips going down here. You know. Don't matter, you just spread them on out. Spread them on out.
And then we're gonna repeat the process again with more beans and more queso and more cheese and beef.
There we go. Now we're going to some more beans. Refried beans. Make sure to spread it out. Just laying it.
All right, is there any more queso?
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna do more layers of beans, queso, and cheese.
Yeah. All right. Queso. More queso down here.
And then more beef. Lots of beef. Alright, now we're gonna put fresh shredded. Oh yeah, we're gonna put beef.
More beef now.
More beef going on. Kids won't let us be late. Hey, shout out to all the parents that do this and your kids get extra loud in the background. You guys are the real MVPs because they don't cooperate with this vlog life. They got their own agenda. All right, guys, Randall got it looking good, Chef Red.
Yep. So now we're going to the cheese.
More beef. More beef.
You want to put the rest of it on?
Yeah, because that's going to be the final layer. This the final layer, so we really gonna get this all done up nice, because this is the final like main layer. If you know what I mean. This is like the foundation. This is almost like deep dish pizza. So this is like perfect for you mukbangers. I hope y'all are watching, because these sheet pan nachos is where it's at. You know what? Matter of fact, do the TWT TV fully loaded nachos challenge.
Nacho sauce.
And you gotta finish the whole sheet pan. Alright guys, now we're getting the shredded cheese. I don't know though, you know, that's not our style, but we do love to eat. We're gonna have to have a little help with ours. And I got the cheese going down, cheese going down.
You want a lot of that cheese on there.
Oh yeah, you want them cheesy. You want it, and I mean, it's gonna look beautiful when it's melted, because this is about to go in the oven for at least about 30 minutes. So it can get nice and melted.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Yes, sir.
What you know about that?
Yeah, what y'all know about that, trendsetters? Yeah, the kids are hungry. They ready to go in. All right, so we got all that cheese.
Oh yeah.
So you want to do the jalapeno on olives now, or you want to wait? All right, guys, look at that. Oh yeah, nice and cheesy. Good. Randall's about to put all of the toppings on top. You can see the cheese is nice and melted and gooey. Oh yeah.
Cutting the lettuce up.
And we got a towel down so we don't mess up our table, because the pan is really hot. Check out those knife skills. Go, 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 go. I'm too late. He's too fast for me.
That's how you want your lettuce to look.
Chef Red. Ooh.
Oh, I got it.
Uh-oh. Having technical difficulties with this jar over here.
Jalapeno.
Putting some jalapenos down.
Yeah. Really good.
Daddy, I think you could like pour all of it on the cheese.
All right. Now you want to put the salsa. Salsa.
Little water.
Now the salsa's going down. Actually put the lettuce and the salsa. Put the lettuce and the salsa together. Lettuce going down. This looks so good. Oh my gosh. olives to go on. I'm gonna get the sour cream. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Mommy,
Come on now.
I'll go check your phone.
Okay.
We're making nacho restaurant style like that.
Alright, now the sour cream. You want hot sauce?
Hmm?
Hot sauce? Sour cream. Oh, I think you gotta open it.
Look at that, boy.
Alright, there you have it. Nachos fully loaded.
Fully loaded nachos.
You gonna take the first bite?
Yeah, it looks good. So,
Go ahead, take a bite.
trying to see which one I want to add. Add this one right here.
I want
Let's try, guys.
I want taste. I want taste.
Okay.
Good.
I want taste.
Want to taste? Let Jayla take a taste. Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
What it tastes like, Jayla?
Sour cream.
Yeah.
Tastes like sour cream.
Alright guys, we're about to dig in. I'll show a picture you guys of how it looks from the inside out. But this is it guys. It's perfect for
Loaded nachos.
mukbang.
Oh, yeah.
Loaded nachos.
Aren't we gonna eat
Alright,
like-
trendsetters, we out. That's how you make loaded nachos from scratch. From your own kitchen. My kitchen or yours.
It's yummy.